As we have already discussed, microspore and megaspore, two type of gametes are there in flowers. Microspore means male gametes and megaspore means female gametes. Formation of microspore from pollen mother cell is called microsporogenesis. Let's see the process by a flow chart. Pollen mother cell, which is 2N, undergo meiosis to produce microspore tetrad. So 4 cells are produced which are haploid. Macrospore tetrad then undergoes meiosis. Each microspore present in the tetrad undergo meiosis. Mitosis. So within a microspore there comes 2 cell stage. After mitosis, from one cell they are divided into 2 cells. Then again it undergoes mitosis and become 3 cell stage. You will say how 3 cell? Actually in 2 cell stage there are 2 cells, vegetative cell and a generative cell. Vegetative cell gives nourishment. Generative cells produces gametes. So generative cell undergo mitosis. So from one generative cell we get 2 male gametes. So total there are 3 cells. So in a pollen grain, mature pollen grain, it's sometimes 2 cell stage. The 3rd cell stage is reached when it reaches the stigma, or in some 3 cell stage is reached itself. Now the structure of pollen grain is also very important. Structure of pollen grain. If you see the diagram, it has 2 layers. Outer layer called exine and inner layer is called intine. Exine is hard layer, intine is soft, and at some portion there are points where exine is absent. That point is called germ pore. Okay, you have to do the questions. Write the important feature of exine and name the chemical by which exine is made up of. Right? Megasporogenesis. Flowchart wise we will study. Megasporogenesis is the process of formation of megaspore, that is female gamete, from megaspore mother cell by the process of meiosis. So megaspore mother cell, which is diploid, that is 2N condition, undergo meiosis to produce 4 haploid cells, megaspore tetrad. Out of this megaspore tetrad, 4 cells, 3 cells degenerate. 3 megaspores degenerate. They are non-functional. Only 1 megaspore is functional. This functional megaspore undergo karyokinesis, mitosis, but only nuclear division. Okay, so karyokinesis, and from one cell it becomes 2 nucleus scale. Cell is 1, but only nucleus divides, so we get 2 nucleus. Again their karyokinesis, mitosis occur, so from 2 to we get 4 nucleus, and after 4, 8 nucleus. So 3 divisions leads to 8 nucleus stage. After the 8 nucleus are formed, cell wall starts appearing around it, and it leads to formation of a mature embryo sac which has 8 nucleus but only 7 cell, as the central cell has 2 polar nuclei.